Hello. So I wanted to go on a little bit of a rant today, or not so much as a rant as like a discussion about craft show fees. So there was a craft show coming around. They invited me to it. It was $100 for the booth fee, and then after reading the fine print, it was 20% of your total sales, which I didn't like all that much. So my thinking was that if I did $1,000 in sales, that would be $200 right off the top. So that being I'd taken him $800, and then another $100 was paid out and lost for the booth fees. Not exactly lost, but I paid $100 for the venue, and then $200 for my total sales. So I don't know about you. I don't know if you like doing these types of craft shows where they take that type of money. Me personally, I'm a little leery about it. I was thinking like maybe it's like consignment, where consignment they'll charge you a monthly fee to rent out a spot, and then they charge you a percentage of your total sales. So it's similar to consignment, but consignment your stuff is there the entire month, whereas this craft show my stuff was only going to be there for a few hours one day. So then I was like, nah, it's not really like consignment either, because consignment I have the entire month to sell my products, and I can also mark up my products on consignment. Don't tell anybody that, but you can mark up your stuff on consignment because you can sell at a higher price point. Whereas when you're selling at a craft show, if your prices are out of sync or if they're a little too high or whatever, they could scare away customers. It's just the dynamics of a craft show, and that's how it is. Especially if it's this was not even a juried craft show, so a juried craft show, they would have all handcrafted items. A non-juried craft show, they could have people coming in and selling wholesale items, just marking those things up, and you can mark them up as high as you want if you bought them wholesale, and cover that 20% off the top and that $100 booth fee. Whereas my stuff being handmade, I'm taking a lot of time in producing my stuff. So at the end of the day, I decided not to do the craft show. Just something that wasn't my cup of tea. I didn't decide to do it. But if this is your type of craft show and you've done these before, leave a comment below. Let me know how it went. I'd love to hear from you, just because I'm a little leery about it. So that's it. Not so much of a rant, more of a discussion. So thanks for watching. And how do I turn this thing off?